You shot straight, but you shot late. High level. This is the Rundown Podcast.
I'm gonna give you the rundown.
Breaking news here at 3 concerning the YSL trial. The judge in the case has now been recused.
Moments ago, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Rachel Krause ordered the judge overseeing the YSL trial to recuse himself, and it comes after the defense team for Jeffrey Williams, aka Young Thug, filed a motion to have Judge Gerald Glanville removed. Defense attorneys pointed to a June 10th meeting that the judge had with the prosecution as well as a key witness without the defense present, also known as an ex parte meeting. Well, after Young Thug's defense attorney confronted the judge about that meeting, Judge Glanville held him in contempt of court and ordered him to spend 20 days in jail. That decision has since been reversed by the state Supreme Court. Well, in deciding that Judge Glanville should now be removed, Judge Krause ruled the recusal was necessary in order to preserve the public confidence in the judicial system.
Hey man, it's OG Jucario. Now I'm back at you with another one. And I had to come spin the YouTube block because I just got the drop that the judge in the YSL RICO case, Judge Glanville, has been recused. And for those who don't know what recused means, he's been removed from the case, been removed and dismissed from the trial. That's right, he can no longer preside and rule over this case in this RICO for YSL. And we seen this coming because, Thug's lawyer, Brian Steele, right, was held in contempt and was finna possibly be jailed for 20 days until that was overruled, okay? Now, Glanville was kind of hot at Steele because Steele was accusing him, right? And said he had proof that he was coercing, right? Basically, Woody, the witness that was on the stand that was getting questioned at the time, and they were saying, hey man, we got inside information that you had a meeting with Woody behind our back, right? You weren't supposed to do that, Glanville. You were supposed to let us know everything up front. Let us know what's going on. Keep us in the loop, right? On what's really happening in this case. And Glanville decided to have a meeting outside of Brian Steele and their YSL attorneys over there for Thug, right? Keeping them out of the loop, not letting them know what's going on. And this is the case we have now with Glanville, being removed from that case, man. That's right, because those motions was put in. They had Glanville taken off the case because they feel like, hey man, this right here was corruption. We don't really know. We wasn't allowed to be present, for what was said. And now Thug's attorneys, Brian Steele and others who are on the case, they were concerned that, Glanville and others who were present at that meeting, okay, the prosecution, they were basically trying to coerce the witness, who happens to be Woody, YSL Woody, and there was talks of them threatening Woody with prison time and things of that nature if he did not comply and testify, right? And that's why Woody was basically on the stand, just, basically acting as if he didn't want to answer those questions, acting uninterested and giving all those runaround antics that he was doing to the prosecution while he was being questioned, okay? So that would explain Woody's actions. And he had all eyes on him, man. He Thug and all the YSL people of the gang were right there listening, right, to what he was saying. And the snitching allegations, well, hey, I gotta do this, man. These people talking about, such and such if I don't testify and if I don't, give up certain information. Now, with Woody talking in the interrogation room and saying certain things that he said then, some people are saying that's snitching, right? He should have never said that. And some people are saying, well, he didn't get on the stand and say certain things, and he didn't get nobody locked up, and ain't nobody got no time behind what Woody said. So a lot of people are looking at it as if Woody didn't do no snitching. But like I said, a lot of people are pointing at that interrogation video in that interrogation room, right, before the trial even started, and Woody was in there giving information. So, hey man, y'all be the judge on, if Woody is a snitch or not. But yeah, man, this is the latest in the breaking news in the YSL RICO case. The judge, Glanville, he has been removed, dismissed from ruling over the YSL RICO case. Now, before this case started, they did tell us that this case could be one of the longest cases in history, right? Meaning that this could go on for years. And the way that it's looking at this point, with this judge being removed from the case, now they got to bring a whole nother judge in to start residing over this whole matter. Hey man, say man, we don't know how long this thing gonna, last. And yes, it's looking like it could possibly be one of the longest going cases, you know what I'm saying, in history, man. So, hey man, when they said that, people were like, well, why would it be one of the longest cases ever, right? First, they couldn't get the jury together, right? Took them, I don't know how long to do that, right? Almost a year, it seems like. And then now, after the trial then got started, now you got the judge being removed. Now they got to find a whole nother judge that's going to rule over this whole ordeal. And say, man, it's crazy, dog. This YSL RICO ain't looking good at all. But it's also looking good in, Thugger's favor, from what people are saying. People are saying, well, hey, man, Thug might get off on this. You know what I'm saying? He got a chance now. That judge was removed from the whole ordeal. But what if he gets a judge that's just as ruthless as Glanville, right? They gonna recuse them too. So we, gonna keep our eyes on this, man, and see what's really going on in this YSL RICO case. So y'all get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think about this entire ordeal. And until next time, this is OG Jucario TV. Keep it locked for more hip hop, rap, and celebrity news.
What, the interrogation?
Yeah.
I started laughing. Yeah, I started laughing.
Why did you laugh?
Because I started laughing because the simple fact is I knew what they were doing. Time after time, like I knew what they were doing. That's why I started laughing. And I didn't let it break me. I didn't let the people break me. I didn't let nothing I didn't let nothing come between my thoughts and what I know what's really going on. Right is right and wrong is wrong. I don't need nobody to forgive me for my wrongs. I go to God about it for it. And I just got if I had to go back and face consequences, I just gotta do that. But I'm not gonna let nobody go down for something that I lied about. They don't have nothing to do with honestly.
Okay.
Thug has always been a good person.
Mm-hmm.
And the things that really going on, some people, we go through phases in life where we just get put in situations where we get pressured to lie on people and all that. It's not a secret, you know what I mean? And like I said, I'm not doing this on purpose. Like I lie, you feel me? Like I lie. I ain't never told the truth. Police ain't never believe me until I lie and say the things that they want me to say. That they believe. So it's just like I got false information on my record. How could you believe me? You know what I mean? So it's like that man ain't never been nothing but a good person. And I was going through a time where I was trying to protect my family and protect myself. And they sitting there locking me up for charges that crimes I ain't commit. Like y'all locked me up for shoplifting. Man, that'd be a robbery before I go in the store and stick something in my pocket.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, I'm about to take everything, man. But
Front your shoulders. Why did you do that?
Cutting my shoulders? You asking me about, I don't know how to answer these questions. I don't really, a lot of this stuff you talking about, like, these questions you asking me, like, you discombobulated me up here. Yes.
What do you remember telling Kel?
Yes.
So you told Kel yes?
Yes.
Let me ask you this. Are you just saying yes now to speed up your questioning?
Most definitely. I know I ain't complete school, but I think I'm speaking proper English. I told you, I don't recall nothing I said to no police. You keep sitting right here asking me the same question over and over and over and over and over. I'm tired of it. I'm drained. I think I said it loud and clear.
So again, will you just answer the question and we can move the process along?
You keep asking. Okay, yes. I don't recall any conversation with Detective Thorpe.
I'm saying you can slow it down, but I'm going to keep asking you these questions.
I don't recall.
All right?
I don't recall.
All right.
That's it. I don't recall.
Okay.
Can you explain to me what I don't recall mean? Don't it mean I don't remember, right? got a broke nigga say something.
You're watching the Rundown Podcast. I appreciate everybody for spending with me. I appreciate all my subscribers for sliding with your boy every time. And say, man, hey, man, keep hitting that like button, keep hitting that subscribe button, and look, turn on post notifications so we can slide whenever I get the drop. You already know what it is, man. It's deeper than Buddha, you hear me? And guess what? I'm gone.